My name is J.D. Miller, and I'm from Bowling Green, Indiana, and I've been farming for about 40 some years with my 3 sons. We've done 2 different times selling equipment through BigIron, and it's really a nice, simple way to auction off equipment. It attracts a wider range of people from all across the United States. Thousands of people will see what you have, and there will be somebody that wants what you have out away from here somewhere. So I am well pleased with it. I just highly recommend, if you're going to have an auction, a retirement auction or anything, that BigIron is the way to go.